If you have a Roku remote that's hard to push the buttons, you have to press them hard to make it send a command, it's because of the materials that they're made from. What you need to do is there are 4 screws. After you remove the battery cover, there are 4 tiny screws right here. They're Phillips, and you have to remove those. And then there's a parting line along here that you can pry it apart. And once you pry it apart, you have the touchpad, and what happens is it leaks an oil somehow. It comes out of this material, and this oil is apparently non-conductive and makes it very hard to push the buttons. The PC board also will have this oil all over it. And what you need to do is simply take this to the sink and wash it out with soap and water and then dry it. With the PC board, you can clean the oil off with alcohol or with Naphtha or something like that. And then when you're done, go ahead and put everything back together, and just make sure when you put this piece back in that the little OK button is in the correct orientation. Other than that, that's all there is to fix it, and it takes maybe 10 minutes at the most. So don't throw your Roku remote away.